you think you don't have space or could grow on an HOA, take a look at this idea. This is my front garden. So as you can see, I have the typical Florida plants in my front yard, which are bromeliads and some tropicals. But if you could take a quick or closer look at these beds, you might notice some different plants growing. So as you can see, I planted some mustard greens, which are these right here. Some collard greens. The bunny ate it a little bit, but it survived and it's growing. And look at this. Would you even know? Here's an eggplant growing here. And then on this side, I have some Swiss chard, some other kales that are doing fine. So, does it look messy? Not really. Can anybody tell? Not really. So go out there, plant your greens, plant your vegetables, even if you live on an HOA. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.